Guess what I got asked? The classic "What's the deal with this idiom?" It's in the bag. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever heard someone say "it's in the bag" and wondered what it means? Well, it's not about putting something in a bag. It means something is certain or guaranteed. To remember the meaning, think of a grocery store. When you finish shopping, you put your items in a bag. At that point, you know you have everything you need. So, when someone says it's in the bag, they mean it's a done deal. Let me tell you a story using the idiom. John was nervous about his job interview. But after it was over, he knew he had nailed it. So, when his friend asked how it went, John said it's in the bag. Meaning he was confident he got the job. Here are fun facts about the idiom. It originated in the US in the early 1900s. It's often used in sports to describe a sure win. It's been used in movies and TV shows, like The Simpsons. Here are example sentences using the idiom. 1. Don't worry, the project is in the bag. 2. We have a great team, the win is in the bag. 3. I studied hard, so the exam is in the bag. Here's an original sentence using the idiom. I practiced my speech all week, so the presentation is in the bag. Rephrased, I'm confident about the presentation because I practiced all week. Rephrased, I know the presentation will go well because I put in the work. Let me share a real-life story highlighting the effectiveness of the idiom. A friend of mine was worried about her job interview. But after it was over, she said it's in the bag. A few days later, she got the job offer. So, the idiom was effective in expressing her confidence. Other similar expressions include in the clear and in the bank. Opposite expressions include up in the air and not a sure thing. Related idioms include in the pipeline and in the works. Let me tell you a story using the related idiom in the pipeline. John's company has a new product in the pipeline. Meaning they're working on it and plan to release it soon. So, when John's boss asked about the product, he said it's in the pipeline. Now, let's see if you've mastered the idiom. Which of the following best describes the idiom "it's in the bag"? A. Something is uncertain. B. Something is guaranteed. C. Something is impossible. Great job! You've mastered the idiom "it's in the bag." Remember to use it confidently in your conversations. And don't forget to share your story with the idiom in the comments below. Keep learning and improving your English skills.